announced Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, the IRGC, a terrorist organization. At a time when India is desperately trying to secure energy routes through the Strait of Hormuz, the request comes as a surprise. Because IRGC is not just any other militia. It is the force that has kept the current Tehran leadership in power through crackdowns on dissent, including the mass protests of 2025 and early 2026. It is the force that has been at the center of the US-Israel war on Iran that began in February 2026. And most importantly, it is also guarding the critical Hormuz choke point through which around 40% of India's overall energy requirements pass. Here is what exactly the Israeli officials told Indian journalists in Tel Aviv to.
About a distance away, you can see we have Bethlehem there, now predominantly a Muslim town. But at one point, of course, this we all know is the place where Jesus was born, a very holy city for the Christians. But now we're told that Christians are a minority in this city. But larger point being that we are right now reporting from Israel and we are right now in Jerusalem. And we had earlier in the day meetings at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and in the backdrop of this entire Iran war that is happening right now, and foreign ministry officials tell us that they want India to designate the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, or the IRGC, as a terrorist organization. Two senior Israeli officials that I spoke to personally saying that the same has been conveyed to Indian officials at various diplomatic levels. The IRGC, the Israeli officials said, has already been sanctioned by nearly 44 countries across the world. They say that there have been direct threats against India and other countries from the IRGC, which they've brought to India's attention, and they want India to designate the IRGC as a terror state. Just like Australia has, they said they had been pleading to Australia to designate IRGC as a terror organization, which even the Australians at one point did not want to do that. They wanted, they said that we have no proof that there is any terror activity. However, what happened